standing on Nevada's side of Hoover Dam power plant. We have 8 generators on this side. We have another room just like this on the Arizona side with another 9 generators. For a total of 17 generators here at Hoover Dam. The lights that you see on top of each generator, if the light is lit, that just means the generator is in operation. Each one of these generators is 7 stories tall. What you just see in the top 30 feet of each generator. Just one of these massive generators can produce 130 megawatts of power. That's 130 million watts of power. Goes to Southern California. 19% goes to Arizona. 25% goes to Southern Nevada. But less than 3% of this power ever goes to Las Vegas. The first generator that you see below you, N1, which stands for Nevada 1, began operation in 1936. The final generator to be installed was installed in 1961. It took 3 years and 65 railroad cars, both parts, just to put together one generator.